Do 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 do. Okay, what do I do today? Oh yeah, I know. I should put a prank on them for doing that. But first, selfie. Okay. Oh, come on. Okay. Selfie. Boom. Yeah, I got a selfie. Oh. Okay. What prank? I should spill all that into his layer. Okay. Let me go get it. 2 hours later. Man, that took long. I know just little crumbs, but that's all I'm left we could get. That was so long, man. They're asleep. I better leave. I'm so fast, I can leave so fast. Oh, it's gonna be so funny. Yay! That's gonna be so funny. He's gonna be so mad. He's gonna wonder who the heck did this, man. Oh, now I'm going to sleep. Time for life. Who the heck did this? I know there's a crumb, but who the heck did this? Marsha! Oh, what the heck bells in there? I'm gonna beat your asshole. Wait, let me phrase that. I'm gonna beat you up. Ow! Stop! I didn't do this. What the heck? Who did that? Gosh, I'm sorry. I just want to know who did this. I thought it was you. No, it wasn't. I just slept out here with you. Just clean up this mess. I think I know who was it. I'll be back. Fuck, Bowser! I just have to clean everything, man. 1 hour. Man, there we go, man. This looks pretty. Now time to sleep. Okay. Finally, I got this. This is gonna be hurt so much. So now, okay. In the morning, you feel so bad. Come on. I think this is jammed. Oh, dang, it's jammed. Oh, man. Oh, there you go. Oh, take that. You just gotta feel so bad in the morning. Oh, it feels so bad. It smells so bad, man. 24 hours later. What the? Come on. I can't race. I think Bells will beat me today. I can't go that fast. Oh man, what do I do? After a long time.